iCarzone UR1000.
Situations and tests. So these are all the things that you can do, all of the tests and the resets and the actuations that you can do on this particular vehicle. Again, it's lots of things to make them more efficient. Let's go back. Oh, we do have the quick erase option. Here we go. So under the service options, for this particular vehicle, we can got some calibration options on the cruise control. Just switch calibration. Service resets. Oh, that's interesting. Mileage verification. So we'll go through all of the modules that have mileage stored in them, and then you can obviously use that to decide whether or not you think the car's being clocked. Again, this will go and pull all the VIN numbers from all the control units, and you can see if any of the control units have been replaced, or whether or not the car may be legitimate. Back, definitely an issue with the screen down at the bottom right. So this is a nice feature. It's telling you, don't forget to take your dongle out. Let's go to oil reset. Okay, look, there's pretty heavy support for oil reset. All the big boys. It's a smart. Let it connect. So yeah, we could say we've done a minor service, a major service, and that's all you can do, and that will clear the mileage indicator on the dashboard or the countdown. Yeah, so that's about it really. Interesting to see this device for the first time. Fairly impressed for the price point, and I thank you for watching. Cheers guys.